Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect SAML with Confluence for secure project wikis step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Confluence instance as an administrator. Navigate to the settings panel on the sidebar. Select user management from the options available. Locate the SAML configuration section. Click on Configure SAML Authentication. Here, you will need to enter your identity provider details. Obtain the SAML metadata from your identity provider. Copy the SSO URL from the metadata. Paste the SSO URL into the designated field in Confluence. Next, copy the entity ID from your identity provider metadata. Paste the entity ID into the required field in Confluence. Now, you'll need to define the certificate provided by your identity provider. Copy the certificate and paste it into the appropriate field in Confluence. Once you have filled in all the details, click on Save to apply the settings. Next, navigate to the User Directories section. Add a new directory and select SAML Authentication as its type. Provide a name for your new directory. Make sure to enable the directory for user synchronization. Then, test the connection by clicking on the Test Connection button. If the connection is successful, proceed to configure the synchronization settings. Set up the user attributes that will be mapped from your identity provider to Confluence. Save your changes to the user directory configuration. Now, return to the SAML configuration page. Review all settings and confirm that they are accurate. You can now test SAML login by logging out of Confluence. Navigate to the Confluence login page. Click on the SAML login option. You should be redirected to your identity provider's login page. Enter your credentials to authenticate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.